Hey everyone, Mr. Schultz here as we factor polynomials using all techniques. So, what does this mean? Well, we are going to have to pull, for example, cubes and squares. Like, how did we do that? We're going to have to pull that into like one thing and try to figure it out because we're going to have some more complex polynomials right here. So for example, hey, I have this factor right here. I have 64 x to the sixth power minus y to the sixth power. Now, I could convert this. So I can convert this to be, I know that I could probably get this. I could probably square this. So I know that 8 squared is 64. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into the difference of two squares. So 8 times, and I know I'd have to do to the third power. Now this is going to be y to the third power squared right there. So if I do this, if I do 8x cubed squared minus y cubed squared, then I know that I could get the following. This is the difference of two squares right here. I'm going to have 8x cubed plus y cubed, and I'm going to have 8x cubed minus y cubed. Because if I have this, let's call it x squared y squared. So if I have x minus y and x plus y, I'm going to figure out that, hey, look, I'm going to have x squared and then y times y, negative y is going to be negative y squared. So I get x squared minus y squared. And these cancel out. And that's this right here. So now I could convert this and be like, hey, look, here's the difference of two squares. Now, why would I want to do this? Well, now what I can do is I can go like this. I'm like, hey, look, I have the sum of cubes right here. I can figure this out. So I know that 2 times 2 times 2 is, so 2 to the third power is 8. So I can do this. I'm like, hey, I have 2x to the third power plus y to the third power. All this is here. And I'm going to still have this right here. I'm going to have this difference of two cubes right here. So then 2x to the third minus y to the third. So I'm now simplifying this. I'm trying to factor this. So the sum of 2 and the difference of 2 will be the following. All right, hold up for a second. I'm going to pause and write it out for you. So here we go. We have this factors into the 2 right here. Well, this whole thing. And this difference of cubes right here factors into these two factors, a trinomial and this binomial right here. So if I was actually to rewrite it correctly, I have 2x plus y times 4x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And then this is going to multiply to 2x minus y. And then we're going to multiply it to 4. Let's make this a 4x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now, we're not actually solving, we're just factoring it. So this is fully factored. We can't do any more. We're done. So that's it. So basically, go back and see if you have any like difference of two squares, the sum of two cubes, the difference of two cubes, if there's any perfect square trinomials or grouping, see what you can do and test it out and see if you can solve, or actually not solve, but just factor them. So that's just this one. This is 3.2e, and just using the different techniques together. This is it. All right, guys. You have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in class.